Hi, I'm Susan from Eagle, Idaho. I initially heard about Suncoast from a very trusted friend whose neighbor actually had a Suncoast enclosure, and I was out getting bids, and nothing compared to Suncoast. They were actually the best option for my needs. The most important aspect for me was to block out the sun because it gets really hot, mostly towards the end of the day when the sun's going down, and it's on the west and there's nothing to block it. So even with an awning that we had purchased prior, it just didn't cut it. And if you got a 20-mile wind, it would just automatically go back. So I was looking mostly for sun and the added bonus for snow in the winter. If I could block out the snow and the rain, that was really important. When I purchased this furniture, I ordered covers for them. And as soon as I got the furniture, paid for it, they discontinued the covers. So I didn't have any relief, and I would have to take out all these cushions when it rained. So every time it rained, summer rain, winter rain, the cushions were like in the house. So I absolutely needed the louvered, and Suncoast had by far the best options for me. So I really appreciate letting the light in the morning, because it's not always light inside the house. The tinted windows and with the overhang, it gets really dark. So I'm able to just let a little bit of sunshine in and let the dog out with the screens. It's just been so wonderful to have. I called Cal on the phone and he answered on the first ring, and I think he was over the next day. Cal took it by the horns and filled out all the necessary paperwork for my homeowners association. I didn't have to interface with anybody but Cal, and he handled it very, very smoothly. It was only usable in the morning, not very much during the day in the summer because of course, the high heat, and it keeps the bugs out. We're able to use it so much more efficiently. And if we want to let the whole world in, we can raise them up. We got little Italian wedding lights for at night, come out, watch a movie. It's added so much square footage. I come from a real estate background, so the added square footage to me was just a big plus. And we live out here basically, summer, winter. We actually completed in November, so I think we put the turkey on the smoker and hung out here all day. We just love it. Sunset in the rear view, losing your control.